Welcome to what's new in Passware Kit Autumn Release video. In addition to recovering passwords for Macs with T2 chips, the redesigned add-on for Passware Kit Forensic supports decryption of Western digital hard disk drives. PKF provides step-by-step instructions on preparing a Western digital disk first. Once done, the device is ready for further processing. There are three options to continue with. Create a decrypted binary image of the whole disk, mount the drive, and recover the original password if needed. Hardware performance for Western Digital Digest files is over 4 million passwords per second on a single AMD 6900 XT GPU. The latest PKF version also features the analysis and decryption of Windows credentials for standalone systems. To use this option, specify the Users folder along with the Config folder on the Setup page. PKF instantly recovers Wi-Fi passwords and automatically checks them for Windows accounts. If a match is found, the recovered passwords are displayed right away. With Windows credentials support, Passware Kit Forensic additionally detects and recovers passwords for Internet Explorer 11, Wi-Fi, and network connections. PKF also allows to brute force master passwords of the latest Mozilla Firefox and Thunderbird versions. Encryption Analyzer is capable of detecting encrypted Mozilla Key4 databases, so you can start the password recovery right there without launching the Standalone System Analysis. Hardware acceleration is supported on NVIDIA and AMD GPUs, reaching 390,000 passwords per second on a single NVIDIA RTX 4070 Ti. Our team keeps adding GPU support for new file types. The latest PKF introduces acceleration for NTLM v2 hashes, which normally store network credentials. Version 4 also fully supports the newly released macOS Sonoma, including APFS decryption and password recovery for keychain files. Finally, as requested by our customers for PDF files, PKF is now set to recover user passwords only, skipping the recovery of owner passwords in batch mode. Enable the owner password option in Tools Options to revert the changes. Discover even more details about the latest release in our blog post linked to the video description below. We always welcome feedback or ideas on how to improve the Passware Kit. Thank you for joining us today.